So still now we saw about constitutions of plasma. Now we are going to see about formed elements. Formed elements. So what is the percentage of formed elements in blood? Means 45% in blood present is formed elements. So what are the formed elements? Means three types of formed elements is there. One is RBC and next WBC and next platelets. So now we will see one by one in detail. First we can take off RBC. So RBC, what is the amount of RBC present in a healthy woman? Means 4.5 to 5 millions of RBCs. Millions of RBC is present in healthy women. Alright. So what is the amount of RBC? Generally 4.5 to 5 millions of RBC is present in the healthy woman. So what is the size of this RBC? Means size of this shape of this RBC is, let me rub all these things. Just we write RBC. Shape of the RBC is, it is biconcave in shape. Biconcave in shape. So how it will be? It will be like this. In the center, it will be bent like this. This is biconcave in shape. Alright? So the RBCs will be biconcave in shape. So what is the measurement? Measurement of this means it is 7 micrometer. 7 micrometer. Measurement of RBC is 7 micrometer. What is the lifespan of RBC? Lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Lifespan of RBC is, just a minute, 120 days. After 120 days, what happens to this RBC? Means it will get destroyed. After 120 days, what happens to this RBC? It will get destroyed. Where it will get destroyed? It will destroyed in spleen. So after 120 days, what happens to the RBC? It will destroy. Where it is destroyed? It is destroyed in the spleen. So the spleen is called as a graveyard of RBC. What is the spleen is called? It is called as graveyard of RBC. Spleen is called as a graveyard of RBC. So RBC is one of the formed elements. What is the shape of the RBC? It is biconcave in shape. What is the measurement of RBC? It is 7 micrometer. What's the lifespan of an RBC cell? Means it is living for 120 days. After 120 days, what happens to the RBC? Means it will get destroyed in the spleen. So spleen is called as a graveyard of RBC. Apart from this, some special qualities is also there. Still now we saw the shape of RBC, measurement of RBC, and what is the amount of present RBC's account present in the human beings. Now we are going to see a special unique character which is found found in RBC. What is the unique thing which is found in RBC is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin present in RBC. So what is this hemoglobin? Hemo means iron. Globin, protein. A kind of protein which is present in RBC is responsible. This hemoglobin is responsible for the red coloration of blood. Responsible for red coloration in blood. So what is responsible for a blood to appear red in color means this hemoglobin is responsible for the blood to appear red in color. You know that octopus contains blue colorish blood. Cockroach contains white color blood. It is colorless. So this coloration, red coloration is because of this hemoglobin. So apart from this, what is the work of this hemoglobin means? This hemoglobin attracts more amount of oxygen molecules. Carries oxygen. Oxygen is carried by this. Hemoglobin helps to carry the oxygen to all parts of the body. This RBC divides nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. What is it? It divides, this RBC divides nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. So RBC divides nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. Since this RBC is in biconcave in shape. What is the shape of this RBC? This RBC is biconcave in shape and it divides nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. It helps, it benefits this RBC to capture this hemoglobin. The hemoglobin present in the RBC to capture more amount of oxygen. Right? Can you get my point clearly? That is, RBC divides nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. Since this RBC divides all these parts, the hemoglobin which is present in the RBC helps to capture more amount of oxygen in RBC. Right? So this shape, biconcave in shape, also helps to diffuse more amount of oxygen into the cells easily. So this shape of the cell RBC helps to diffuse the oxygen into the cells easily, and as well as the dividation of nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum helps the hemoglobin to capture more amount of oxygen so that our body will get more amount of oxygen supplied very easily. This is the functions of RBC. Already we saw that destroyed RBCs will live for 120 days. We saw that duration of RBC is 120 days. After that it will be destroyed in the skin. So where does RBC, after the destruction of the RBC, the iron which is present in the hemoglobin will reach the bone marrow. After the destruction, destruction of RBC in spleen, the iron which is present in the hemoglobin, iron will go to bone marrow. Why it should go to bone marrow? Because this bone marrow is the site where RBC is produced. RBC is produced. Right? It is the site. So after the destruction of RBC in the spleen, the iron which is present in the hemoglobin will go to bone marrow, and that bone marrow helps in the production of RBCs again. So per day millions of RBCs will die and millions of RBCs will be produced. So where this RBC is destroyed? RBC is destroyed in the spleen. So it is called as graveyard of RBC, and where RBC is produced? RBC is produced in the bone marrow. Clear?